Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to hide WhatsApp status. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to hide your WhatsApp status, you can have to follow some steps. Open the WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap right here on the settings. Now tap on the privacy. Now you have to choose who can see your status by selecting from the options such as my contacts or only share with. So if you tap right here on the my contacts, you have to select the contacts you wanted to share the status with. After that, you just have to tap right here. So guys, if you choose my contacts, all your contacts will be able to see your status, and if you choose my contacts except, you can select specific contacts who would not be able to see your status. So if you choose only share with, you can select specific contacts who will be able to see your status. Guys, it's also important to note that if you hide your status from someone, they will not be able to see your status updates, but they may still be able to see your profile picture and online status. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.